I'm going to show you how to factor a quadratic expression where the a term in ax squared plus bx plus c is not just a 1. The first step that you would do is you would multiply the c term by a. So that step would look like this. We take the 6 and multiply the 10, and then we will rewrite a new quadratic equation with that 6 multiplied by that c term. So then the second step would be to take our new equation and factor it. So it's a lot easier to factor when you don't have a number in front of the x squared. So let's think of the factors of 60 that add or subtract to 11. It is subtraction because we have a minus 60, so they are opposite signs. So we would have x here, 60 would be 6 and 10, which doesn't get us to 11. It needs to be, maybe the numbers need to be a little bigger, so let's try 15 and 4. 15 minus 4 is 11, so that one will work. 15 and 4. And because the b term is negative, that means the bigger number is negative and the smaller one is positive. So step 3 would be to take this a that we here multiplied by in the very first step, and we're going to go and divide by those values here. So I multiplied by 6, so I'm going to go and divide each of those factors by 6. After we get the division, we need to go through here and just reduce our fractions. So 15 over 6, 3 goes into both of those, so that would be 5 halves. And x plus 4 6, so 4 6 would be, 2 goes into both of those, so that would be 2 thirds. And then the last step here would to take these denominators and we'll just bring them up onto the x. So that would be 2x minus 5 times 3x plus 2. And of course you can go back and FOIL to make sure that this factoring yields the quadratic expression that we started with.